Hello. If you want to know everything about AKASH coin, the details of AKASH project and the price prediction of AKASH project in 2023, then this video is for you. This is because I will be giving you full details on AKASH coin. But before getting into the discussion, please note that this video is not a financial advice. Always do your own research before attempting to take any actions toward any of the cryptocurrencies I talk about. Also, kindly hit the like and subscribe button so it can help the YouTube algorithm push this message. Without much saying, let's get into the discussion. AKASH is an open-source supercloud that lets users buy and sell computing resources securely and efficiently. Purpose-built for public utility. On a simpler note, AKASH is an open supercloud network that makes it easy to rapidly scale and access services around the world. It uses a reverse auction system, where customers submit their desired price and providers compete for the business. This often results in prices up to 85% lower than other cloud systems. AKASH is owned and managed by its community. It is a free public service, and the source code that powers it is available to everyone. It is built on dependable technologies like Kubernetes and Cosmos, and the community oversees all aspects of AKASH, including decisions about what new features should be implemented. According to its white paper, the AKASH marketplace is where users lease computing resources from cloud providers before deploying a Docker container on the AKASH container platform. The marketplace stores on-chain records of requests, bids, leases, and settlement payments using the AKASH token. AKASH's blockchain is a Tendermint-based application based on the Cosmos SDK. The AKASH Container Platform is a deployment platform for hosting and managing containers where users can run any cloud-native application. AKASH is built with a set of cloud management services including Kubernetes to orchestrate and manage containers. The cost of hosting your application using AKASH is about 1/3 the cost of Amazon AWS, Google Cloud Platform, GCP, and Microsoft Azure. You can check the prices live using the cloudmos.io price comparison tool. If you're new to AKASH, start with our deployment guides and go from there. AKASH's community has written several more advanced guides for learning about AKASH: a node operator guide, a validator guide, a cloud provider guide, and several deployment guides for running various apps on AKASH. The decentralized cloud is a shift from computing resources being owned and operated by the three large cloud companies, Amazon, Google, and Microsoft, to a decentralized network of cloud providers running open-source software developed by a community and creating competition in an open marketplace with more providers. Like Airbnb for server hosting, AKASH is a marketplace that gives you control over the price you pay and the amenities included. AKASH gives app developers a command line tool for leasing and deploying apps right from a terminal. AKASH taps into the massive market of underutilized resources sitting idle in the estimated 8.4 million data centers globally. Any cloud-native and containerized applications running on the centralized cloud can run faster and at a lower cost on the AKASH decentralized cloud. AKASH hosts containers where users can run any cloud-native application. There is no need to rewrite the entire internet in a new proprietary language, and there is no vendor lock-in to prevent you from switching cloud providers. The deployment file is transferred over a private peer-to-peer network isolated from the blockchain. Asset transfer occurs off-chain over MTLS to provide the security and performance required by mission-critical applications running on the cloud. The AKASH network has features like infrastructure and resource management, security and privacy, and finally, blockchain and interoperability. Under the infrastructure and resource management, AKASH's orchestration layer is powered by SDL. This simple-to-use YAML-based language lets you create complex deployments that span multiple areas and providers while choosing the resources you want to use and deciding on your price. AKASH runs on Kubernetes, the industry-leading container orchestration system. With this in place, you can rest assured that your applications will be hosted on a secure and reliable platform that has been tested and proven to work. AKASH offers a limitless storage system that saves your data even after restarting. This is ideal for databases and programs that store large datasets. Under the security and privacy, AKASH gives you the ability to rent a dedicated IP address for your application. This allows you to assign any port of your choice to your deployment and then direct traffic toward it. This is especially useful for services such as DNS, web servers, and more. Deploying applications on AKASH is open to everyone and is secure and censorship-proof. Nobody can stop you from using AKASH to build apps that can't be censored. You and the provider you're using to deploy your application communicate directly, without any external parties. This makes sure your data stays secure and private, and no one can claim a portion of your payments or keep track of what's happening. Furthermore, AKASH's lack of central control makes it dependable and unaffected by a single point of failure. The AKASH protocol is designed to protect your identity, providing a high level of privacy and security. You can use it to deploy applications anonymously, without anyone knowing who you are. Under the blockchain and interoperability, AKASH is the first blockchain to successfully carry out an inter-blockchain communication (IBC) transaction with Cosmos Hub. This makes AKASH able to communicate natively with other blockchains that are also IBC compatible. AKASH is a Layer 1 protocol built using Cosmos SDK that uses proof-of-stake consensus to secure its network of decentralized validators. The network can be validated without permission and is secured by AKT, its native token. At the moment, AKASH is trading at $1. With a market capitalization of $114 million, which is up by 10.78%, a fully diluted market capitalization of $387 million, and a 24-hour trading volume of $5.5 million, which is down by 9%. Seeing the way AKASH coin pumps in price, I can tell you that it is a good buy. But do I think this will be the next big thing? For me, I'd say yes. This is because coins like AKASH are so rare in the cryptocurrency space. Though, I know it will be hard to attain 20 to 50x, but AKASH plays a major role in terms of decentralized computing network programs. AKASH network will strive, and I know that, but please note that it will be hard to do so. Many investors don't invest in the decentralized network niche in crypto so often, which is why I think it will be quite hard for AKASH to be a success in the crypto world. But seeing the recent spike on AKASH, I change my mind because I think the investors are beginning to know what is AKASH and what it brings into this space. In my opinion, this pump will last to $1.50. So if you are thinking of buying, I will advise you to buy right now before you get left out on the train. Finally, if this price keeps moving this way, then I think $2.50 can be attainable. That is my price prediction in 2023. Thanks for watching. We have come to an end of this video.